Hi boys and girls, Mrs. Hinkle here, and we are on story problem day 3. And this time we're not going to be talking about frogs. We're going to be talking about different objects or people. So with this, I've got some story problems and we are going to figure them out together. So if you want to get a piece of paper and a pencil, you can pause and go get that so our brains can work together to figure out these mathematical story problems. The first one says, first there are 3 students working in their student workbooks. Then 2 more students come to join them. How many legs are there in all? Okay, well, let's think about how many legs a student, so a kid, has. How many legs do you have? Look down. 1, 2. So I'm going to do quick pictures to get this out here. So I'm going to just draw. It says there were 3 kids and then 2 more kids. So what is 3 plus 2? Here I'll draw my 1, 2. Remember, when you're doing math with a picture, detail is not needed. You want to draw nice enough to know what you're representing, but not so good that you worry more about your picture drawing than your math numbers. So there's my 3 kids, and then 2 more kids come to join. So there's my 2 more kids. Just give some quick hair. So there's my 3 kids who are already there, and 2 more kids came. And we want to know how many legs. We already talked about every kid has 2 legs in this story problem, so we need to know how many legs in all. Well, like we did with the eyeballs and the frogs, I could number the legs below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 10 legs. Another way I could do it is I could count by 2s. Just like eyes, the legs are also 2. So I could push their tummies and count by 2 because there are 2 legs coming out of each child. So here I go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, which would get me to the same number, 10 legs. All right, down here, it says there are 3 chickens in the barn. How many legs are there in all? Okay, so how many legs does a chicken have? I'm going to draw some quick chickens. 3 of them, it says. 1, 2, 3. So there's my 3 chickens. How many legs in all? So how many legs does a chicken have? Same as people, 2. So there are 2 ways I could solve this problem. I could just write a number below every leg, which I'll do that first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 legs. Or I could count by 2s by pushing the tummy because I know every chicken in this story problem has 2 legs. So if I want to know how many legs, I could draw my 3 chickens and then just count by 2s because each of them are equal to 2 legs. Here we go. 2, 4, 6, which gets us the same answer as if we numbered each leg. 6 legs for 3 chickens. On this problem, it says there are 3 sheep in the barn. How many legs in all? Ooh, how many legs does a sheep have? Think about a sheep. Imagine at the farm and look at a sheep. How many legs does a sheep have? The answer is 4. So I'm going to draw 3 sheep. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. They're fluffy, woolly sheep with their quick 4 legs. Again, a reminder, when you are drawing for math, you are just simply putting an illustration down to make your brain have a better chance to figure out this riddle. It doesn't need to be perfect. I'm not going to frame this and hang it on the wall. I'm just doing this to get a visual of my legs on my 3 sheep. So the first thing I can do is I can count each sheep's legs by numbering underneath them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The answer is 12 legs. If I wanted to try out an equation, I remember that they said 3 sheep, and I know that all 3 sheep have 4 legs. So I could go 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals, because there's your 3 sheep's 4 legs. 4 legs here, plus 4 legs here, plus 4 legs here. So I'm going to count up 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, which would get us to 12 legs as well. Now in this problem, it says there are 7 animals in the barn. The animals are chickens and sheep. How many legs could there be in all? So some of you might have different answers because it's a mix between chickens and sheep. And depending on how many chickens you choose and how many sheep you choose, your answer could be quite different, because we know that sheep have 4 legs and chickens have 2 legs, but it's 7 in all. So 7 animals in all. I'm going to make 3 of my 7 sheep. So let me draw my sheep. So out of my 7 animals, I did 3 sheep. Oh, how many left do I have to do? Let's see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so since I chose 3 sheep, I now have to make 4 chickens. And the chickens have half as many legs as the sheep. So here's my solve it out illustration. Okay, I could count every single leg right now by numbering underneath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I got 20 legs. 20 legs by choosing 3 sheep and 4 chickens. I could also do some math problems here. If I know it's 4 here and I pick 3 of them, I could do 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Make a 12, and that's good for sheep. But now I need to do the chickens. 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8. Now I need to add 12 plus 8. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 legs in all. So I either could add up my 3 4s for 3 sheep legs, which gets us 12 sheep legs, plus my 2s of chicken, which I had 4, so 4 2s gets me 8, and then adding the 12 sheep legs plus the 8 chicken legs gets me 20 legs. Another way to check your answer or to break it down more is to illustrate and number the legs. Both ways, we got 20 legs. Have a great day, boys and girls.